how to change slider gallery to grid in Wix. So what we want to do is load up Wix here. I've just clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor, and I have this slider gallery here with my products, and I can click on the arrows to see different products. So if we want to change this to grid, all we want to do is I'm just going to delete this. So I'll press the delete key on my keyboard, and what I'm going to do is I'll click on add elements here. We want to go to store, the store section, and you will see a slider product gallery, and right above it you will see grid product gallery. So here what I'm going to do is I'm instead going to drag and drop a grid slider gallery here, and as you can see we no longer have a slider product gallery, but instead we have a grid one. And it's really as simple as that. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.